everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Anushri and today I'll be revealing the teaser of Mahindra Lifespace newly launched project Mahindra Beacon Hill located at Mahalakshmi, Mumbai. As you can see, I'm standing at the actual location. Right behind me is the land parcel. Now let me tell you the neighborhood of these projects. Right side leads you to the Mumbai Central Station and left side leads you to the Eastern Express Highway. Now let me tell you what exactly Housey is. So Housey is India's first real estate platform where the home buyers are directly connected to the developers, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do one single inquiry, your contact number is shared to multiple brokers. But in Housey, you are directly connected to the developers. So what are you waiting for? Book your dream home directly with Housey. In this teaser, we'll be discussing the below points like project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount, offers and many more. So let's start. So first one is project overview. This project is being developed on 1 acre of land parcel featuring 1 tower, ground, 1 basement, 9 podium, plus 45 floors residencies. 9 level podium is for parking. 10 to 11 floor is for clubhouse and lifestyle amenities. Here you get 3 BHK, 3.5 BHK and 4 BHK premium residencies. Coming to the location part, as you can see, I'm standing at the actual location. You can see the neighborhood. This project is located on Meghraj Sethi Marg, Agripada, Mahalakshmi, Mumbai with Eastern Express Highway 800 meters, Mahalakshmi Race Course 2.5 kilometers, Coastal Road 3 kilometers, Jaslok Hospital 3.5 kilometers, and school, colleges, hospitals are in a radius of 1 kilometer. Coming to the amenities part, here you get access to 70 plus luxurious amenities such as swimming pool, rooftop cafe, gymnasium, jogging track, senior citizen area, kids play area and many more. Now let's talk about carpet area. 3 BHK is 1200 square feet, 3.5 BHK is 1500 square feet and 4 BHK is 1800 square feet. Now let's discuss the booking process. So our token window is now open. Clients are invited to visit our sites where our sales team will explain the project overview, will share you the payment and the pricing scheme and will also show you the actual location as well. Then if the clients like the project, they can book by a EOI amount. So everyone, this was the complete teaser of Mahindra Lifespace newly launched project Mahindra Beacon Hill located at Mahalakshmi, Mumbai. If you are looking for more details of this project, click on the link below and download the e-brochures and pricing sheet. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe Housey.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.